The best neighbors ever.
Cheryl, forget it.
Sharon.
Sharon, I'm
Yep,
Sharon.
that's okay.
I know I have
What's up guys? Today I'm here with my friend V and we're about to install a JB4 into this 2012 335 and 55. So this install is pretty straightforward. You have this connector right there to the, I don't even know what that's called. And you have this connector, and then you got a connector down here, and then you just gotta wire the ground. You got the positive, JB4 sits over here, and then you gotta connect that to the OBD2 for it. Alright, so the car works mint. It's on map 5, as you can tell, and we're about to go for a test drive. See that? Yeah. Alright, so that's it. We'll see you in the next video. I'll get some better clips soon. Catch you guys later.